Hello YouTube, welcome back to Learning Life and Living Radio Scanners. My name is your host Tommy Cunningham, and I gotta tell you guys holy cow, I'm getting excited about it is almost Christmas, because just so you guys know, I just love Christmas time. It's just something about that time of the year where everybody gets together, and then after that they come together, and then after that they just go walk around the different places, and then after that you guys go look around like Walmart and stuff. So today's video I'm wanting to do is just show you guys just a little bit of some radio scanner frequencies, some flight tracker stuff, and I'm wanting to show you guys like what's going to be in our background, maybe that, or maybe my BCD 355, and I don't know, because our video is kind of really interesting. So also we've got some real. So for instance, like we got some really interesting radio stuff that we got to talk about on here. So we all know that Louisville International is a big airport, right? But just to show you guys like everything that's around Louisville, this right here, it's the Louisville International Airport. Now you guys see this flight right here? This one is a UPS flight, which honestly, UPS is like one of my favorite package people. Now that one right there was just coming from LAX. Now, if you guys are wanting to see like a busy airport with like a busy shipping, take a look at that FedEx. All those flights right there are FedEx. And this one's only the only flight there at Indianapolis right now. Now just to show you their departure board, they got like flights to New York, they got a Grand Rapids flight, they even got a Washington DCA flight, they even got Chicago, they even got Sacramento, they even got New York, they even got Denver. Now their first FedEx delivery is going to be happening at 3:44. Then after that, you guys have like all these ones like right here. And then showing you guys their arrivals. You guys got like a flight from Dallas. You guys also got Tumblesville, Chicago, Atlanta, Boston, JFK, Bush International, Las Vegas. That airport is just so busy. I just couldn't even get like a simple video there without being on their video requirement list, which I thought was really, really kind of interesting on their end. So they got this email that you guys got to send an email out to, which I think is really kind of stupid I know you guys, it's not because of them. It's because that there are several different people that is around that airport. Plus, in that airport, you guys got so much like going on. You guys got like a approach that you guys have to listen to, like sometimes on your phone. You guys got to also sometimes listen to some radio frequencies which are out of several different areas that you guys don't know. Now also that radio scanner over there, which I'm showing in the background, that one right there, I have been using that. Like there is a radio frequency in this area which I think is a really good one. It's the home-in approach and the home-in departure, because both of those, just to give you guys a heads up, both of those radio frequencies, I gotta tell you guys something. Those radio frequencies are so busy. Like, we just missed that flight right there, just took off from the Indianapolis airport. Right there. You guys see? Yes, I chose IND. Now, there is like this helicopter, which I kind of understand why they're going down to 1,000 feet, because they are going to be passing this aircraft which has turbulence. Well, they're already up at their cruising altitude of they're on their way to their cruising altitude at 3,000 feet. Well, that's good on their end. Now, I'm sorry you guys that I did not make a video yesterday. I was just way too busy without making a video. So, I hope you guys liked my video the last couple of days. Plus, let's also let you guys know there are some busy stuff that's been happening on my Monopoly Go. I love that game, but that game keeps me busy. It keeps me motivated. Like, also the other time that I went there to French Lick, just to let you guys know, I cashed out at $28, which I thought that was good. Now there are some lights down there, which I think these lights are really cool. They're inside the safari. Now, sometimes you guys will see animals there, which I think is really kind of interesting if you guys go there, like, at the right time. Now, some also that I think is really kind of cool, like, also on their end, which their radio frequencies are really busy, just to be advised that whenever you guys go like to a busy town that has, just to do an example, like let's just say you guys are going to like the Columbus area. This area is like so busy. Let me just zoom out on the and take you guys over to the Baltimore airport. Now this place was so busy, I cannot let you guys know like how busy this area was, like right here. To just even get inside that place, like the port is right over here, but then after that you guys go in, that interstate right there is like so busy. That is just like really crazy. Now, also, just to let you guys know, there are radio frequencies that you guys can listen to there at the Baltimore International Airport. You guys need like either a Baofeng or a Uniden or anything like that because some of their radio frequencies inside that Maryland area, you guys will need that because sometimes their radio frequencies might have a little bit of DMR. So like this casino hotel we went to, this live casino hotel. Well, we see that they use a DMR Monroe Connect Plus, and these are their radio frequencies right here. So if you guys take like a radio scanner, you guys can listen to like anything of that, except for this one. But if that shows like encryption, you guys can listen to that like non-stop. But just to give you guys a little bit of a heads up, if you guys take these radio scanners and you guys are like saying, like what kind of radio communication can I listen to without getting in trouble? Well, those radio scanners, just to let you guys know, are part of a 5-step series, which I honestly learned by watching YouTube videos. So they also got some really bad problems down there. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful Friday. I am super excited about next week because on the 21st, it's my last day there before Christmas break, which I feel really, really excited about. I feel really looking forward to. I'm also looking forward to Saturday on having Christmas with some of my family, and Saturday with my grandma and Papal, and also Monday with opening presents with the mom that I love and my daddy Jim. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.